this is the natural iPhone 15 Pro with USB-C. We love to see it. USB-C, what I did there. Anyway, check this out. This is the new action button, and it's really cool because this can actually be customized to be whatever we want it to be. And right now I have it customized to be the camera. So you're gonna hold it to open, and here we go. And what's really cool is you can actually use this as the shutter, so I can take photos. I can only do this with one hand. Here we go. So cool.
Demo of the zoom on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. See, go straight into 2x right here, and then go all the way into 5x. Look, there's Crystal right there. Take a picture of her right there. Super cool. There is the zoom. Now, the zoom does go up to 25x now on the zoom. Let's see if we can get somebody on the stairs up here. Take a look at that. Maximum zoom. Boom. Got him. Let's see what they look like. Wow, that's actually pretty good. What do you think about that?